Hey, what's up? Does long division make sense? Well, let's see. So here I have x plus 1 divided into this thing. So the question is, how many times would I need to subtract this away from this to get to 0? That's the answer we're looking for. So let's just try. Okay, so we have to subtract some number of copies of this. So let's try subtracting, I don't know, maybe 7 of them. So then what would we get? Well, we can go ahead and do the math here, and we'll get this. Okay, so now we have this, but hey, we just subtracted 7 copies of it, so let's keep track of that. We've done 7 so far. Now we can do more, so let's subtract some more copies of it. But we don't only have to choose numbers like 7, we could also subtract maybe x of them away. So then we can go ahead and calculate this. So we'll get x squared, let's see, minus 5x minus 1. Okay, good. But now we just subtracted x copies away, so we want to keep track of that. We have done x more, so we've done 7 plus x total copies of this subtracted away from this to get to this. But now when I look at this, I notice it's not really that much better. So let's start over again, and let's try to be more strategic this time. So the best way to go about it is generally to get rid of the highest order terms first. So how many copies would I need to subtract to get rid of this 2x squared? Well, I could subtract away 2x copies because 2x times x is 2x squared, so those will cancel out. So let's go ahead and see what I get here. I will get, let's see, it looks like 1, something like that. And then I subtracted 2x copies away, so we'll go ahead and put that up here. Now we have this, so now I want to subtract some more copies of x plus 1, but how many do I want to subtract now? Well, the highest order term is this one now, so I can actually just subtract 1 copy away, and I'll go ahead and get rid of that. So then I'll just be left with 5. I subtracted 1 copy away. Let's keep track of that. Now we just have 5 left over. What do we do now? How could I subtract copies away of x plus 1 to get rid of this 5? That doesn't seem possible, but it is possible. A lot of times in mathematics, where there's a will, there is a way, because I can always just put x plus 1 on the bottom here to cancel out with the x plus 1 here, and then I just need to get rid of this 5, so I'll just put a 5 here, so I'm just subtracting that. So these two cancel out, and then I got 5 minus 5, which is 0, and of course I subtracted 5 over x plus 1, so I'll just have to add that up here, and that completes the problem. So yeah, I would say long division, polynomial long division, it does make sense. Thanks for watching.